everyone, welcome to All About Travels. As you know, this channel discusses everything about travels, most especially teaching you how to fill your application form. I do not like to waste time, so we'll dive in right now. Today, we'll be talking about US visa application, how to fill your US visa application form. Now, to do that, you go to complete my DS-160 application form. You click on that, click on online non-immigrant visa. Of course, I'm going to be using the non-immigrant visa, but anything you want to fill, this is the form this is a site where you come to now. And if you're choosing your country, please choose the city where you'll be submitting your application or where you'll be going for your interview. If you're living, let me take for example, you're living in Nigeria and we have Abuja and Lagos. These are the two places where we have the embassies. Now, if you're going for your interview and you're filling your form, you cannot choose Abuja and go to Lagos to submit your application. No. If you're going to Lagos for your interview, then when you're selecting this, it has to be Lagos. If it's Abuja, you wish to go for your interview, you please click on Nigeria, Abuja. So today, let's see. Let me use Abuja. Now it comes up and it gives you the capture. You put in the capture. Click on start application or retrieve application. In my next video, I'll be doing the retrieve application. But for today, let us look at start an application. Click on start an application. You scroll down. You agree to their terms and conditions. Now, you see this application ID is very important for you to keep. You can copy it somewhere and save, or you print it and save, but just make sure you have this ID saved somewhere. Okay, it's very important. There's a security question. You choose any of the security questions you want, the one that is easy for you to remember, because you will need it when you need to retrieve your application. Okay, so let me just choose, in what city does your nearest sibling live? Okay, let me choose that one, and I will decide to say Owerri. Continue. It comes. Voila. The application form has opened. Remember to save this application ID. Very important for future purpose. Then now you start putting in your details, your surname. You can see all the questions here: personal, travel companion, if you're going to be traveling with anyone, previous US travel. If you have traveled before, you answer the questions, address and phone number, passport details, US contacts, or where you'll be staying in the US, family, your work. And under this work, you also have the education and any other form of training that you might have gone through. You fill in the details, then you have the security questions. Okay, US is one of the easiest forms to fill. It's straightforward. You just keep answering the question as it comes, like that. Okay. All right. So today we'll be stopping here. Thank you all for sharing, liking, and subscribing. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? So that we can have access or be encouraged to do more videos like this. Also, if you have a particular form you would like us to do a video on, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all.